Okay, so today I'm going to make my easy version of that popular Tiger Boba Milk drink that's been trending for quite some time. Now, there's so many videos on YouTube, and you can definitely make your boba pearls from scratch. Earlier, I attempted to do that, but it was just a mess. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use store-bought boba pearls, and these actually are flavored with maple syrup. And this is a brown sugar boba drink. Don't worry, I'm going to create a brown sugar syrup to go with these, but it's a lot more convenient. I just want to get things going. So I'm going to be using, I'm just going to reuse this. I'm going to measure out like a ½ cup of these, and I am going to put them in boiling water. You want to make sure you have your water boiling at this point. There we go. So here's my ½ cup of pre-made boba pearls, and I'm going to add this to my boiling water. So here they are going into my boiling water. And you'll want to sort of zhuzh them a little bit, just kind of move them around. Try not to disturb them too much. And once the water comes back up to a rapid boil or a rapid simmer, I'm going to time them for 20 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, the water's come back up to a rapid boil and the boba pearls are floating. This is great. So now you'll want to time 20 minutes. And you will want to stir them maybe every 5 minutes throughout the cook time, just to make sure that, you know, they're cooking, they're not all stuck together. But for the most part, you don't want to be rough with them because they will sort of like disintegrate and fall apart if you move them around too much. Okay, so my boba pearls have been boiling for about 20 minutes. It's been a little over 20 minutes. So I'm going to shut off the heat. Now I'm going to cover with the lid. And these are going to hang out for another 30 minutes. Now you can see why I sort of was just flustered with making my homemade boba pearls, because either way, whether you make them yourself or you use the store-bought version, it's gonna take some time to make them. I mean, unless you can find them pre-made and soaked already. I don't have such luck. But anyways, these are just going to sit in the pot of hot water for 30 minutes. So, it has been another 30 minutes. And I'm just going to scoop out my boba pearls and just kind of strain them and give them a quick rinse in cold water. And then I'm going to work on my brown sugar syrup, and I'm that much closer to getting my brown sugar boba milk drink. Okay. So there we are. Now I'm going to give these a rinse in cold water. Okay, so now it's time. Let's get this turned on to medium heat. Now it's time to make this syrup. By the way, I have my boba pearls sitting off to the side. I just gave them a quick rinse in cold water. So here I have 3 tablespoons of water going in. I have 5 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. I'm also going to add, I'm going to do, let's see here, about a tablespoon of molasses. And pretty much your syrup can be any combination of flavors that you like. And I'm also going to add just a little pinch of fine sea salt. And that's that. So I'm just going to give this a mix and a stir and let everything combine. The sugar will dissolve. And I'm going to let this cook and bubble until it becomes a syrup. Okay, so this is starting to foam. You can tell where the hot spot is on my pan. So this is all dissolved, combined. It's kind of simmering and it's sort of foamy. It's not thick yet, but I'm going to add my boba pearls right in. And I'm going to continually mix this. You don't want to work with high heat because, like I said, sugar burns quickly. Okay, so at this point, things are frothy, foamy, simmering, boiling, bubbling, all those wonderful words to describe what is happening here in this pan. So I'm going to shut off the heat, and this is done. So I went ahead and transferred it back to my glass bowl, and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just give that a mix. And that's it. This is my flavorful Tiger Boba Milk drink syrup. It's very dark and rich, and oh, as soon as that vanilla hit the warm boba syrup, it smells so good. Okay, so now it's time to assemble this. So I'm going to take some of my warm syrup with the boba pearls. Now I'm going to swirl it all around my glass. Oh my God, that tastes so good. Now you're going to add your cold milk. Ooh. Add a little bit more syrup. Here I have some heavy whipping cream that I just whipped with my milk frother. So it's not completely whipped, but it's thick. There we go. And a little more syrup on top. My brown sugar milk boba. Or is it brown sugar boba milk? Yeah. Take my boba straw. I'm going to make a mess, but I'm going to give this a try. Oh my God. Wow. It is so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.